Morning, my all dear students. This is Kaveri teacher from Sion MPS Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you the 2.4 The Fall of Troy Part 2. In last lecture we have seen the same story, but it was part 1. I will summarize the story in short of part 1. We have seen that there were some character in part 1, and which was Menelaus, Odysseus, Helen, Achilles. It was the Greek characters, and some characters are Trojans. It was Paris, Hector, Priam, Aphrodite, and Agamemnon. So these are some major characters from this story, and today we have to see the second part of the story. Before starting the second part, I will summarize the shortly first part. History makes the importance of people, culture, and the way of living. Many epic stories have been told since centuries. We already know about the great Indian epic like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Same as this epic is written by great poet Homer, which was blind, and it was taken by the epic name of Iliad. So Iliad portrays the battle between the ancient kingdom of Troy, present it called like a Turkey, and the Sparta, which we call like a Greek or a Greece. While visiting Spartan king Menelaus, Trojan prince Paris fall for Menelaus' wife's Helen's love and takes her back to the Troy city. Menelaus' brother, King Agamemnon, having already defeated every army in a Greek, uses his brother's fury and pretend to declare a war against Troy, the last kingdom, preventing his control over the Aegean Sea, and how the Greek army finally cheats and wins over the Trojans form the climax of the story. So, student, we have to see the major uh, incident of this story in a second part, and what is the climax of the story we will see. Let's start. uh, the already Trojan and Greek have already declared a war. Now it's the time that they have planned to defeated both sides. They have a lost great loss. So now they had decided, let's see, at last Troy was taken, not by a trick, not by a force, but by a trick. So Troy people, Troy people and Greek people always fighting daily, and now they are tired. All soldiers have a tired, both side soldiers have a tired due to that war, because it is not for 1 2 3 years, it was for last 10 years. So now Greek people have decided to take a control on a Troy. But how? It was not by force, means it was not by pressure or by doing war, by battle, but they decided to take a control on the Troy by a trick. Trick means idea. So what was the trick? How they use their trick? How they implement their plan? So it was the cunning Odyssey who thought of a plan to obtain a victory. So it was a plan. They had decided a plan to cheat the Troy. Cunning means to cheat. Okay. So they have decided to make a plan, and they had making a cunning plan. The Odysseus who thought a plan that how can we get the victory. Victory means to win or a triumph. So they decided a plan to get a victory on the Troy. So they have an idea. What was that idea? So they built a great wooden horse. Let us build a great wooden horse, he said, big enough to hold men inside it. So they have to decided to make a big or great wooden horse, which was made by a wooden, and it was not a small, it was a great, that some soldiers will be some soldiers will be hide in it. So they decided to build a great wooden horse, and he said big enough to hold men inside it. So it was too big, too enough to hold a man. fighters hide in a horse. So they have made in that horse. Then let us burn. We have to make a big horse, a wooden horse, and we have to. They started to burn away. Pretend means to believe in a way, in order to make a believe in believe other, like believe in means लोगों को ऐसे प्रिटेंड करना, ऐसा बिहेव करना कि जैसे वो बिहेव कर रहे हैं, इट इज ट्रू. सो दे they have burnt their tents and they pretend to sell away in our ship. Sell means a cloth or a canvas or which was used in a boat. So to sell away in our ships, but instead of selling away, but they truly they have not go back, they have not went back, sorry, they have, instead of selling away, we will return. They decided we will not go away, we have to return, or we have to come back at the night time, means at the morning, at the day. They have to burn their tents, they have to sell their boats away in the seashore or in a deep sea. And instead of selling away, instead of go away, we have to return, means Greek have to return at the night when the Trojans are asleep. And when do they have to come? They have to come at the night time when the Trojans are in a deep sleep. We will attack the city and burn and kill. And they have make a major plan that they will be attacked on that city at the night time, and they will burn all Trojans and they will kill to all Trojans. So, such a idea, such a great trick they have used on a Trojan. They have to decided to use on a Trojan people, Trojan city, and due to that reason they have to decide a big, great wooden horse. Now, Odysseus planned to obtain a victory. So, Odysseus had decided to make this plan and to implement this plan on the Troy. So, the Greek leader decided to follow the advice of the wise Odysseus. Now, it was the plan which was only had by the Odysseus to all Greek peoples, all Greek leaders. Now, it is the time that all Greek leaders had listened that advice means suggestion which was told by the which was told, and so a great horse of the wood was made. Now this is the time, this is the people have made the wooden horse, and not only by a, sorry, it was made by a skillful engineer and the greatest heroes. Now who was the greatest heroes take a part to make a wooden horse? So he was Menelaus Odysseus himself, and also the skillful engineer means who had the made the uh, great horse, wooden horse. So they have decided, they accepted the advice of the Greek leader Odysseus. Sorry, they have accepted the advice of Odysseus, and Greek leaders decided to work on that plan, and others entered it. The last man to go in being the architect. Now there were some soldiers, there were some great warriors, and the warriors, what the greatest heroes was Menelaus and Odysseus, and also the architecture who know uh, the structure of the wooden horse, who had built the horse, and due to that reason they know that how to open the horse, how to go inside that horse, and due to that reason architect was entered in that horse, architect will be entered in that horse himself, who knew the secret of opening and shutting the entrance. Now he knows, we know that architect had made the wooden horse, skillful engineer had made the wooden horses, so they knew the secret, they knew each and every small thing about that construction, about that horse, that how the horse will be open, how the entrance will be shutting and open. So they all entered in that horse that evening. the Greeks won their tents and sailed away in their ships, but they did not go very far. Now, this is the time that they had done their plan, that they had made a great entered in that horse, and now this is the time actually they behave. In fact, they have very far. Only one man was left behind to drag the horse into the city. Now all were went from there, but only one man, only a person will was remain there, left there. And who was that? It was a soldier, it was a person that he pursued the Trojan to drag the horse. Pursued means convince that the remaining person who was left there will be conceived the Trojan to drag the horse into their city. So they all went back. Now this is the time. Greek burner their tents and sailed away. Greek burner there, they have burned their tents and sailed away. And next day the Trojan woke up. At the next day, that we have seen the situation that the Trojan had sailed their boat away from the sea, from the Trojan city, and Greek behave like that. They have go back, they have returned from the Trojan city, and they have burned their all tents, and they have sailed their boat in the sea far away. So next day the Trojans woke up, expecting to go out and fight as they had done for the past 10 years. Now it is the time while the Trojan soldiers, while the Trojan opened their gate at the morning time, that time they saw that they have a great surprise. They have a expected that there will be fight again like a daily routine. They have come out from that gate and they have started the fighting with each other. There will be loss of some soldiers, of sometimes it will be for Trojan, sometimes it will be for Greek. So they had a routine for since last 10 years, and as the same way next day the Trojans wake up and expecting that to go out and fight again as they had done for the last past 10 years. What a delight and surprise they felt at the sight they saw on the seashore outside the walls. But now, what have they seen on the seashore? What have they seen on the outside of the to see? And they have a surprise. What was that surprise? They saw on the seashore outside the wall. It seemed that long siege was over at last. Siege means uh, Greek have written at their home, and now this is the time, the ending time of the war has ended, and the long war was over at the last. The tents have been burned and the shore was deserted. The Greek ships had all gone. They have seen the scenario of the Greek person that they already have burned their tent. So there was a seashore like was a deserted. What we mean by deserted? It was like a empty. The all Trojan, all Greek people have to had lived the seashore of the Trojan city, and the seashore looks like a deserted. The Greek ships had all gone, and all the ships have went back. It was written at side of the Greek. And so the situation shows to the Trojan that they were become very happy that now we have get a victory, we have to enjoy now. And they decided that this is the time now we have to go, we have to celebrate it. And they decided that now we have to stop this war. The siege, the long war, the siege was over from since last year was doing Delhi. It's a pledge and Trojan glad to be free. They also become very free because all the both sides soldiers and all the Greek and Trojan tired due to that long war, and so this is the time to become a glad or to become a free, because Trojan thought that Greek people have went back, and so our war was over. It's a peace at last, they cried. They are becoming they have it's a peace at last. Now this is the time of a peace. Became glad and open in the large numbers on the plain to go where they pleased. Why they become glad, why they become pleasure, and why they feel like this happiness, because they thought that all Trojan people was from last 10 years was at the inside of the wall, because the war was happening daily, and that's why they are looks like they have behaved like a prisoners, and they have sit inside the city. Now they become very happy that we are free now, and open the wide gates. We will be open our wide gates, we will be come out from that uh, city. So all people came out in a large numbers on a play. There was a big ground in front of the Trojan city, and so they all became happy to come from their gates and enjoy that incident. So glad to be free again, to go where they pleased, and they are feeling very happy. Then they saw on a sands the huge, but there was a great surprise for them. And what was that surprise? And what was that thing that they had become very surprised? And it was a wooden horse. So they saw the all Trojan people saw a big or a great wooden horse which was left at the outside of the Trojan city. They gathered round in astonishment, for it was indeed a wonderful piece of work. They have seen the great wooden horse, and it was not a normally, it was not a common thing. It was a masterpiece. It was a great piece of work, because the wooden horse was very beautiful. It was constructed very beautifully, and that's why all the Trojan became very happy to see that a great surprise. And the great surprise, what? The wooden horse. They all gathered around that surprise, that great surprise, and for it was indeed a wonderful piece of a work. And everyone, every Trojan person, every Trojan people masterpiece, that what a beautiful wooden horse was that. As they were wondering, and they thought about that, how the wooden horse have been left behind. Now this is the time that, yeah, yes, this is of a work, this is very beautiful constructed the wooden horse. But they thought now that how the wooden horse built, and also why it had been left behind here. They thought that why the uh, Greek people have left this horse here. They found a Greek with his hand tied together, lying under it. They have seen a wooden horse, but they have seen a person, a people of a Greek people, sorry, a Greek person which was tied together, together. His hands were tied and lying under it, and he was lying under the wooden horse. When the Trojans dragged him out, when they pulled him out from the horse, while they have seen that man and they have dragged him out, they have pulled him out from that horse, the man pretended to be very frightened of them. Now the man was shaken with a frighten. To pretend means to shake as you are frightened. So, or shiver. So, The man was pretended, the man was behave like that he was looks like very frightened, to be very frightened of them. And he behaved like that, he was very frightened to see the Trojan people in front of him. When he was commanded to tell them why the Greek had gone and why they had left this horse behind. Now all Greek soldier commanded him that why the Greek people left from here, why the war was over, and why they went away, and also why they had left this horse behind the Trojan city, in front of the Trojan city. He pretended to tremble very much and refused to speak. Now the person who was left there, who was pretend, and he was frightened to them, and he was refused, he was not ready to say anything, he was kept mum, and he was to kill him, and decided to kill him, they have treated badly to him. That time he spoke of false tales. Now we how the wooden horse was built, and how big, how strong, and how wonderful it was. And the man who was live there, who was left there, and who was not ready to say anything, and also he was very frightened, his body was shake with the frightened of in front of the Trojan people, and he was not ready to say anything and any reason about why the Greek people left him here. Greek spoke and told false story to them. Now the Greek person which was left there, who was ready to speak while they have treated very badly, and they have saying like that, we will kill you. That time he started to speak something, and what was that? He was telling a false story. False story means imaginary story, which was told by Odysseus and all Greek person to that person, and so he had started to tell them a false story, a imaginary story which was already decided. The Greeks are tired. The Greeks now are tired of a long war and have sailed away in their ships. And the person was telling to the all Trojan people that Greek has tired. Wo they became very tired of a long war, because the war was since last year, and so they have become tired and they have sailed away in their ships. Now they have wanted to go back at their homes, and so they have sailed their boats in the ship on the in the sea, and they have went back. He said, but they are afraid of long voyages home too. But they have a afraid, they have a frightened of the long voyage home too. Voyage means a journey of a sea, it's called a voyage. So they have his horse and left sea. The horse had made this wooden horse to the sea, to the sea god. Sea god means uh, they all have to pray to the god of the sea that our long journey of the sea will be good. And so that's why they had made this horse, and this is false tale, this is a imaginary story which was told by the person to the all Trojan people. They wanted also to kill me. And further he said that the Greek people wanted to kill me and offer me as a sacrifice to the sea god. Also they wanted to kill me, and I am they want to sacrifice me to the sea god for their long journey, for their voyage to go home. but I escaped and hid from them. And he is saying that I escaped from there, I have left from there, and so I have lived here. So this is the false story which was told by uh, by that person to the all Trojan people. And now see how they behave after this listening the story, how they treat to that person, and if they will be believe or not, we will see in the next para. So it was the cunning plan, it was all prepared, and it was all decided that the man will be left there, the wooden horse will be left there. And how what was the plan, what was the master plan of there to get the victory on the Troy. But now Trojan asked some questions to that person. And what was that questions? But why did the Greeks made such a huge horse? Now, yes, we accept that you told us that they have make a wooden horse to the sea god, to offering a sea god that our journey, our voyage will be good, the, to go back at the home. But why they had made a huge horse? They can make a small horse also, a wooden horse also. So why they build a big horse? Why they made a big horse? Some of the Trojan asked to that person. So so he had made a smaller offering you, and he had taken it into your city. And he replied very smartly that if the Greek people, if the Greek people made a small horse or a masterpiece like an, small horse, you all Trojan, you all Trojan people will be offering this, and you will be taken it into your city. Means you will be take that horse into your city. And due to that reason they had make a huge horse which will be not able to enter into Trojan city from that gate. Because in first part we have seen that Trojan city, the Trojan city was built very strongly, and it has only one gate to enter and to exit. And it was not so big that the big or huge hidden horse entered in the city. So they have made a small horse, they have not made a big or a, they have not made a small horse, they had made a huge horse. So that is why they made it too big to go inside your gates. And so they had made a big horse that it will be enabled to go inside your city, inside your gate. So it was explained, it was falsely explained by that person to the all Trojan people. And the story or imaginary story which was told by that person to all Trojans. And it looks like that all Trojan have accepted the answer of that person, made a hole to the wall. Now what is the climax of the story? What happened after this thing? That we have seen that the war was uh, happening, war was from since last 10 years. All Trojans have tired due to that war, and all Greek also tired due to that wars. And so they decided that we have to make a trick, we have to made the big or a huge wooden horse. We have to there will be some warriors, great heroes entered in that horse. So it was the plan. And they decided to trick people to is the same. They have made a great or a big wooden horse. It was left at the outside of the Trojan city. There was a man and who was already explained the situation why they had offered that horse to the sea god, because they want to go back at the home, and the voyage, the long voyage will be good for them. So due to that reason they have offered. to that horse, to the sea god, and me also. So they all accepted the answer of that person. And what's happening further, we see in the next para. The Trojan were delighted to hear this. They were become very happy. Delighted means happy. So they were become very delighted. They were become very happy to hear this. And they all heard that story, and they became very, very happy that the Trojan people, the Greek people, have gone. They finally believed that all the Greek have gone to their home. They already have tired, and now this is the time, they said, and the walls are no longer necessary. Now they think that, now they thought that if the Trojan, the Greek have gone to their home, if the now there is no need of this wall. There is no need of this security wall, because we have seen the picture of the wall in first lecture, that how the wall was built, how the wall was strong, and because of that wall, how the city was feel like very strongly, it was very secure and safe. But now the Trojan thought that if the war is over, so there is no need of the wall, and there is no necessary to of this wall. So let us make a hole in the wall. Hole in that wall. Why? Because by the Greek people in front of the Trojans entered by the gate, and so they decided that if the war is over, now the time that we will be make a big hole at the Trojan city's wall, and so the horse will be entered. The horse uh, will become inside to the Trojan city. So they decided, they have a plan that we have to make a hole in the wall and drag the horse. And after the making wall, they will be drag the horse inside the Trojan city. You can see the picture, how they have planned to drag a hole in the wall, and how they can decided to drag that horse in the city. The wise priest warned. Now some people have accepted this thing that yes, we have to make a big hole in the wall to drag the horse in. But their wise priest means, wise means, a priest means a religious person. We can call as like that. He was an advisor, a religious advisor, and who was very wise. So the Trojan religious person, priest, who was the advisor of the Trojan people, he warned them. He told them not to do so. You have to know. You have to refuse this thing, and you have not. Wall, it may be trick. And he thought that yes, it will be trick that will runs away. Runs means destroy. He thought that everyone will be damaged, everything will be damaged if you have make the hole in the wall. So the priest warned to all Trojan people that do not make a hole in the wall. He said, you will bring a disaster on the city, or this thing, this deed will become a disaster. Yes, it is true that he thought that it will be a trick of the Greek people to defeat, to so he said further that you will bring a yes, it will be disaster, it will be a big problem for all city, that if you have break the wall and break down that hole, and also if you had make the hole, the city will be not safe. So he has refused that idea. He to give the suggestions to all the Trojan people that no, not make to hole in the wall. But they were so excited that they paid no attention to his word. Now, the first reason to become excited, that they thought that the Greek people went away at their home. It means the war is over. So first reason to become happy was that the war is over. We are free now. So this is the reason that they were become very excited, very duper happy. They were feeling big happiness, and so they were due in that excitement they forget the thing, they forget the security of the Trojan city, and no one had paid the attention towards that wise person, to the religious person. They had not listened their advice, and so they broke down part of their strong wall in order to drag the horse in. Now, that first reason what the war was over, uh, they had become free. They had become free, and also if they thought that if we get the freedom now, so the masterpiece of the wooden horse will be at the in city, in Trojan city, and that's why they forcefully trying to get the horse in the city. So they had not listened the advice of that person, and they had broke down the part, they had broke down that wall which was very strong, which was very secure for that city. And due to that wall, the all city was very secured, very strong. But no one had big hole in that wall in order to drag the horse. The reason is that they want to like the horse beautiful, it was very huge, and it is showing, they had showing the sorry, they had thought that it will be pride to be the horse in our city. So that's why they had break down their wall, and they had trying to drag that horse in the city. Now Trojan has celebrated. So this is the climax, that the all Trojan have followed, all Trojan have break down their walls. They all have to decided to break down the walls and drag that horse inside the city. And also they had break down their walls. No one is ready to listen that wise person, the priest. But they had done whatever they want to do, and so they had done that bad thing, and they had break down their strong wall. Now they thought that this is the time of celebration, and all that day the Trojans feasted and drank and celebrated. Now feast means treat. They had enjoy lots types of uh, food. They all have enjoy. They give the uh, they meet each other. They feel like it is the time to celebrate. So they have eating lots of food. They have drank, and also they have celebrated like a any festival. So they have already celebrated their freedom the whole day, and so they feasted and drank much. After all their celebrations, they went to sleep and slept soundly. Now, this is the time that the whole day spent with very happiness. They were very excited that we will get our freedom, and the war was stopped now. The long period of boredom time has over. Now, this is the time of celebration. Give, we have to celebrate this day, and so after all their celebrations, now at the night time, at the home. So the night has come, went in their bed, slept soundly. Now slept sound had slept or a in they if we have know that if we have some problems we can't sleep we can't sleep clearly or or freely. So now they got the freedom, now they got get everything whatever they want. So they had sleep soundly at that night. They thought that we got everything whatever we want, we got a freedom. Also like a promotions, like a bonus, they got a wooden horse which was the masterpiece. And they also they had done a bad error, bad mistake, which was they had break their wall, and the wooden horse dragon dragged into their Trojan city. And so they all celebrated the event. They all celebrated that their freedom. And so they feasted and drank for the whole day. And at the night they had slept carelessly. They had sleep in a deep sleep. But that day of rejoicing was soon followed by the night of terror and death. This one sentence has the climax of this whole story. And what was the climax? What is the climax here? That the day the day was very happy, the day was very joyful. They all enjoyed that day. But that day of rejoicing, the day of celebrating, celebration of that day was soon, it was soon changed. And what was the change? Rejoicing in pleasure, happiness. So their happy day, their pleasuring day, their happiness soon followed by night. Followed by means it will be change, sudden change. Okay, so it will be suddenly changed by a night. And what will be happen at the night? The night of terror and death. And this sentence showing us the climax of the whole story, that the sudden day was very happy, it was very pleasure, but the night was terror and death. It was a sound of some bad evils. Or if this is the part 2, and we have seen of this story, climax of the story. And also we have to see the marginal question in the lecture. Greek people have said, for in second part we have see that how the Greek Trojan people and Greek people died from the great war of 10 years. So the um, Greek people, Greek person have decided to get a victory by the great idea, by the great trick. And what was the trick? They had built a great wooden horse, which was very huge, which was very great. And some soldiers, some warriors has entered in that horse, which was Menelaus, Odysseus, and architecture. Some skillful engineer uh, already entered in that horse. And Odysseus planned to get that victory. Odysseus gave the suggestion that how can we implement that plan. They had left that horse at the seashore at the of the Trojan city, and they had left the wooden horse at the city. They all have burned their tents and all have sailed their boats away from the sea. And the Trojan thought that the Greek people went away, Greek people over the war, and they thought that they were really tired. So Odysseus planned to get a victory. Then Greek people burned their tents and sailed away. And this after the selling of their boats, a person was left there. And who was that person? It was a Greek. So he told a false story or imaginary story to the all Trojan person, and all Trojan people had believed in that story, that really they want to offer a big wooden horse to the sea to become their long journey of a sea good. So they have offering me means that person and to horse to the sea god. So this Trojans glad to be free, and Trojan after this listening this false story, the Trojan became very glad that they think that we get a freedom, we are a free now, and saw the huge wooden horse. They're trying to get that wooden horse, but it was very huge, it was very strong, so it can't entered by their gate. So the Greek people, Greek person and the wooden horse, they wanted to get it, but at the night time we have to came back. The all Trojans at the wall, and the drag that huge, which was very heavy, it was very high, and they had dragged that horse in the city by breaking the wall, breaking the strong walls, which was a security wall of the Trojan city, and the wise priest warned them, but no one is ready to listen that wise person, the religious person, the advisor of the Trojan, and everyone was very excited. And in that excitement, they have all celebrated that day. They have feasted, they have drank the whole day, they have danced, they have enjoyed a lot in that on that day. And lastly, at the night, they had went up to their home for the sleep, for sleepless soundly in, they were all sleep very carelessly. And now in the next lecture, people and how the Greek people entered in the city and what will be happen, who will be win in this war. So we will see the remaining part in the next lecture. Student, I